Good day everyone. In this video, I will show you how to format tables, how to merge cells, and how to delete rows and columns in Google Docs. This tutorial will be a very straightforward tutorial and is really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, let us get started. Before proceeding with anything else, please make sure that the Google Chrome you are using is completely up to date so that we can avoid any unexpected errors along the process. Also, do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Docs, or even if you're a beginner or a first timer in using Google Docs. Now, as you can see right here in my Google Docs file, I have a sample paragraph, a text, and a sample table that we can work on. From here, what I would like to do is to format my cell, which means I would like the text that I enter on the different cells to be bold, italic, and underlined. Is it possible to do that at once? Well, the short answer is yes, and that is what I am going to show you today. In order to change the font formatting on our Google Docs table, all we have to do is to click on one cell and then drag it across so that we can highlight our table. From here, we can select the different options or font formatting options like the font size, bold, italic, and underlined. And now as you can see, whenever I type, all those font formatting options is now applied. Now, is it possible to merge cells on Google Docs? Actually, it is. It is possible to merge cells on Google Docs and not only on Google Sheets. To merge cells, what we would like to do is to highlight the table that we would like to merge. Again, to highlight the cells, all you have to do is click on one cell and drag across, like so. As you can see, I have highlighted two different cells because what I would like to do is to merge these two different cells. Now, in order to do that, what we would like to do is to right-click anywhere between the highlighted text, like so. And as you can see right here down below, we have the Merge Cells option. Just click on this Merge Cells option once, and as you can see, we have merged the cell in Google Docs. Now, let's say for example, I would like to delete this column right over here. Is it possible? Yes. What we would like to do is to right-click on any of the cell on this column, and as you can see, it opens different options. What we would like to delete is this column right here. So click on delete column, and as you can see, we have deleted the column that is located right over here. You can also delete rows by right-clicking on this different cells and then clicking on delete row. As simple as that, we can now change the font formatting, merge cells, and delete rows or columns in Google Docs. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing. From here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.